Recording in progress.
Hi everyone, I was just trying to sort out the retreat, which was for the weekend of the 23rd to the 25th of September. And as I was doing that, I did find this other place, but it's not available on the weekend, this other place, which I'm showing you now, these pictures. It's in Gloucestershire, but it is available on the 7th to the 9th of September, which is a Wednesday to a Friday. So I was wondering if you'd prefer this place. And the reason being is because this has not only twin rooms, but has super king rooms as well and double rooms. So I thought that some of you might prefer to have your own room. So there will be an additional charge. It's not massively that more expensive because it's in the week. So it would just be probably something like £60 extra, so £30 a night for your own room. So let me know what you think and whether you could make it in the week or whether you prefer the other one, which would be twin rooms, which will be the 23rd to the 25th of September. And then once I hear from you, I'll make a decision and then ask for deposits to pay for the place. Okay, hope you enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.